Well, today it's our factory tour, our open house. So we present our new aircraft, and our guests and prospect coming here and seeing our workshop and our new SAM LS.
Now, where did the name Sam come from?
Well, the name Sam is come from our son. It's called Samuel, so we call the aircraft Sam, and the company is Sam Aircraft.
Why are you building this airplane?
Well, it began 5 years ago. I began to do this business. I worked in the finance area, but my passion is aviation, so I used to work the weekend and working on kit and flying. So I wanted to put aviation in the middle of my life and design this aircraft, and we built it and create the company in 2009.
Now, why this style of aircraft? Why all metal? Why this? Why does it look the way that it looks?
Well, it's a good question. We began when we designed this aircraft to have a retro silhouette like the Ryan ST, like the Varga Kachina, like the Chipmunk, but we wanted a modern comfort, modern design, and a modern engine. So a blend between retro style and scientific innovation.
Now, are you looking at bringing this out in a kit form or as a ready-to-fly airplane? What's your future plans for the airplane?
Well, our future plan is kit form and ready-to-fly. So it's going to be amateur built, 51% here in Canada and the US, and ready-to-fly advanced ultralight aircraft in Canada and LSA in the US.
Now, if we were to take a kit, what type of a kit is going to be delivered to the customer? What type of areas are you going to need to build it? How long is it going to take them to build it, that type of thing?
Well, the kit, we designed the kit with SolidWorks, and everything is CNC, pre-punch, pre-drill, pre-bend, so to make it easier for the kit builder. All the weld is done also at the factory. The protection cage in steel is pre-welded. The fuel tank in composite is done. The spar are solid riveted and done also at the factory. So it's going to take between 900 to 1,000 hours to build the aircraft.
Now, if I'm a builder and I'm looking at doing this, what kind of equipment am I going to need to take this project on?
Well, as we design it with SolidWorks and everything is pre-match and the whole are pre-match and it's CNC cut, you don't really need a special jig. Really, the basic instruments you need Cleco, drillers, and
pop riveter, I would think.
Pop riveters. That's the basic for an aluminum aircraft. Nothing fancy.
Now, what type of area could I build it in? Could I build it in, say, a two-car garage, or?
You can begin with a two-car garage, but after that you have to put the wings on, so you need more than a two-car garage. But the beginning can be done even in a one-car garage because we are offering sub-kits. So you can begin with empennage, and the empennage is really in a one-car garage.
So when we're talking a complete built airplane, from the way you supply it, you mentioned 900 to 1,000 hours. You go into a sub-kit, what type of time is the sub-kit going to save?
The sub-kit is not really going to save you any time. It's going to save you a little bit of money if you don't have the resource available to purchase a complete kit, or you're not sure about it. You can begin with an empennage kit that we sell around $2,600. So you can begin and notice if you like it, if you want to pursue and buy it step by step and build it as far as you go.
Now, when we're building this, do you have any type of a manual or a CD that is going to show the progress of how to do things?
Of course, so we are going to have a complete manual to assist the builders, and we have also expert here and technician that will be helpful to help. You can also see all the photos of the construction of this aircraft on the Flickr or Picasa, for example, and Kitlog Pro.
Now, we've got the airplane built now. What kind of power are we using to power it?
This demo aircraft is going with a Rotax 912, 100 horsepower, and we recommend 100 horsepower. But you can use an engine from 80 to 130 horsepower. So 100 is a good size engine.
So you're actually going to have it available, for example, for other engines as well. You could have it for example, a Jabiru engine and that.
That's the next step. It's going to be the Jabiru 6 cylinders, the 130. Yes. For now, we propose the engine mount for the Rotax 80 or 100 or the turbocharged 115.
Now, what type of performance are you expecting out of the airplane when you've got the airplane ready to fly?
Well, the airplane is a versatile aircraft, so we designed it with 3 different wings. One smaller wing for cross-country, one LS wing to have fun and sport pilot, and a longer wing for short field operations. So that's the modularity of this aircraft, so you can make it personalized between what you want to have, either cross-country or short field performance. The speed is going to be around 130 miles, and the stall speed of the LS is going to be 42 miles with the flaps.
So if we look at control systems on the airplane, you're using standard stick and rudder type of controls?
Yes, it's a standard, it's a dual controls. It's push-pull for the aileron, push-pull for the elevator, and there is only a cable for the rudder.
And how are the flaps activated?
The flaps have an engine for the flaps, and it's a steel tube that moves the flaps down.
Now, looking at the airplane behind you and looking at the picture on the wall, there's no canopy on this one, but you're going to have a sliding canopy on it as well?
Yes, there will be a canopy, and we can take out the canopy to fly open air. So you can fly with closed canopy or open canopy, and this is open canopy.
Now, this airplane with the type of landing gear and everything that's got on it, looks like it'd make a good trainer too.
It's very durable, and we make the landing gear for the bigger wing version, so it can land on the unprepared field. And it's very robust 4130 steel with 2 benches.
So how far along are you in the process of getting the airplane to the flight testing program?
Yeah, yesterday we turned the engine and we made the first taxi yesterday. So January will be all the flight tests, and we will launch production early 2013 with the Sebring Air Show in Florida.
So we're again in December now, 2012. So you're going to Sebring?
Yes.
And then you're going to Sun and Fun after that as well?
Exactly, and after that Oshkosh. So the big shows.
So if somebody wants to see this airplane and they're attending one of those shows, you'll be there?
Yep.
And if somebody wanted to come and see the airplane, now what's your address here?
Well, we are located in Canada, near Montreal, a 1-hour drive from Montreal in the airport of La Chute, Quebec. So our address is 100 Boulevard Bradford in La Chute, and our website is www.sameaircraft.com.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, Dave.